Hi, I'm Ellie, and today we're gonna make strawberry ladybugs. And here is how we make it. Cut a strawberry in half like this, and then cut a strawberry in half like this. If you do it the wrong way on the bottom, it's okay. And then put it on a plate like this. And then put the pointy spot into melted chocolate. And then put it on a table like this. And then you get a chopstick. And then you put it in the melted chocolate. And you stir it. And then you make dots on the ladybug, on the strawberry. If you need more, put the chopstick in the melted chocolate again. That's it. Bye.